In this project, we use the following components: Arduino Uno, BO motors, motor driver, breadboard, batteries, jumper wires, and power supply cable. These components help in controlling motor movement safely and effectively. Now we start building the circuit. Connect the battery to the motor driver. Positive to VCC and negative to GND. Also connect Arduino GND. Connect GND to GND and VCC to 5V. Now connect the motor driver's pin to Arduino. For example, EN1. Now connect EN1 to D5, EN2 to D4, D6, EN3 to D7, EN4 to D10 and 11. Now connect EN pins. Connect ENA to D3. Connect ENB to D9. These pins control motor directions. Now connect the BO motor to motor driver output pins. Motor A to output 1 and out 2. As it is, motor B to out A and out B. Now the motors are ready to receive signals. Open Arduino IDE. Create a new sketch and paste the code. Now select the Arduino Uno and code. Then click the upload code. Now the system is ready. The Arduino sends the signal to motor driver based on the signals. Motor rotates forward, motor rotates backward, and motor can stop. This allows us to control robot movement easily. This system is widely used in motor cars, automation, and robot projects. It is an important concept for beginners in robotics. Thank you and happy learning.